السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. In this video, inshallah, we're gonna record a variable which is like asking what is your name and then get a short answer with your name. Okay, so for example, we have a cat. Let's add another spirit. Let's add a duck. I want the duck to flip the other direction. Sorry, I can flip it. Or I can go to custom, flip, let the duck face the scratch, the cat. Now the cat, I'm coding the duck, as you can see over here, and now this is the coding for the scratch. I want the scratch to ask a question. When the green flag clicked, I want her to ask a question, what is your name? And then I want her to welcome her. So go back to sensing and let her say the answer. So what is your name? And the answer is a variable. Variable could be changed depending on the name. This is the variable you agreed for. Okay, so let's test it. What is your name? My name is Ducky or Duck. Okay, you're gonna say my name is Duck. So instead of that, I can just write my name, Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. I write the answer and then he welcomed me. He said duck for 2 seconds. That was a simple variable. Okay, answer is a variable. If I click on it, I can see it on the screen. Also, I can add variables from here. If I make a new variable, I can define a new variable from here, which could be like an answer. If I want to show it, I can show it over here. Variables always in the games is used for making a score. That is short definition for a variable.